In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot, which is a great skill for those of you involved in sales, support, or any outreach activities. Whether you're connecting with potential clients, following up with existing customers, or simply managing communications within your team, mastering the email feature in HubSpot can really streamline your workflow and keep all your communications well organized. To get started, the first thing you need to do is connect your email inbox to HubSpot. This step is essential because it allows you to send and log emails directly from HubSpot using your personal mailbox. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu, then go to Email and click on the Connected Inbox. Alternatively, you can go through the CRM and locate the Inbox section. You'll have options to connect a range of email accounts, including Gmail, Outlook, and IMAP, whichever your work email is attached to. Connecting your inbox ensures that all the emails you send and receive are tracked right within the CRM, giving you clear visibility into your communication history. If your team is using a shared inbox for responding to support queries, you can connect that too in the Conversations Inbox section. Now that your email is connected, let's move on to sending a one-to-one email. First, you'll want to navigate to the relevant contact, company, deal, ticket, or any custom object record in HubSpot. Once you're there, look for the email icon in the sidebar. Go ahead and click it, and you'll see a compose window appear. The great thing about HubSpot is that it's smart enough to auto-fill the to field with the email associated with the record you're looking at. However, if you need to select a different email, you can easily do so from the drop-down menu. In the From field, make sure your connected email address is selected. If you need to adjust which address you're sending from, this is where you can do it. Once you've got the basics set, it's time to personalize your email. Add a subject line, and then craft your message. You can also use the integrated tools to format your text, insert templates, snippets, documents, links, or even meeting schedules if needed. Once you're ready, hit Send. Your email will automatically be logged to the contact record and any related objects. Finally, let's talk about replying to a one-to-one email. This is where having everything under one roof really shines. To reply to an email, open the contact or record where the email thread is located. Scroll through the timeline to find the current email conversation. Click on Reply or Reply All, depending on who you need to respond to. As always, double-check the to and from fields to ensure everything is where and with whom it should be. After crafting your response, simply click Send. There's an option to forward the email if necessary, which can be useful for sharing information with other team members. And there you have it. Sending and replying to emails in HubSpot is really straightforward once you've got your email connected. Hopefully, this process will help you manage your communications more effectively and streamline your workload. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. See you next time.